Hello and welcome to the 31st of July 6 a.m. morning Indian Financial News Bulletin. Brought to you by Meghana. Stay tuned for the latest market updates. BSE Sensex is at 77,928.15. 273 PTS. 0.35% rose. Top gainer. M&M 1.92%. Top loser. Adani Ports 3.36%. Nifty 50 is at 24,317.15 0.31%. 0.31% rose today. The Nifty 50 tracks the top 50 companies on the National Stock Exchange of India. Sensex and Nifty 50 close higher amid market optimism. The Sensex finished at 77,928.15, marking a 0.35% gain, while the Nifty 50 concluded at 24,317.15, up 0.31%. These indices reflected positive sentiment as the market wrapped up its previous session. Zepto delays IPO, targets 1,000 crore rupees pre-IPO funding. Zepto has paused its IPO plans to secure 1,000 crore rupees in a pre-IPO round at a $4.5 billion valuation. The funding is expected to be led primarily by domestic investors. Tata Steel Q1 profit rises 11.6% with Neelachal expansion. Tata Steel reported an 11.6% increase in Q1 net profit, driven by strong performance in its India operations. The board also approved a 33,873 rupees crore expansion project for the Neelachal plant. Gold and silver prices surge following softer U.S. inflation. Gold prices climbed to $4,163.40 per troy ounce, while silver rose to $59.10 per troy ounce. The rally followed data showing softer U.S. inflation, which weakened the dollar. NSE reports 7% profit growth in Q1 results. The National Stock Exchange posted a 7% year-on-year profit rise to 3,120 crore rupees for the June quarter. Revenue for the exchange also grew by 9% during the same period. India climbs 25 places in global competitiveness ranking. India improved its global competitiveness ranking by 25 spots due to significant domestic economic reforms. These policy changes have successfully reduced market distortions across the country. MV Electrosystems IPO sees strong demand on day one. The MV Electrosystems IPO received a solid response, being booked 3.9 times on its first day. Market participants placed bids for 1.45 crore shares, signaling strong investor interest. Saudi budget deficit narrows sharply on oil price spike. Saudi Arabia's quarterly fiscal deficit contracted by nearly 75% compared to previous periods. The improvement was largely attributed to a significant spike in global oil prices. MasterCard Q2 profits beat estimates amid strong spending. MasterCard reported second quarter profits that exceeded analyst expectations on Thursday. The results were bolstered by resilient consumer spending patterns in the current market environment. Finance Ministry expects growth driven by domestic demand. The Finance Ministry's July economic review highlights that resilient domestic demand will support India's growth. This outlook remains positive despite the presence of various global economic risks. FD interest rates. Kotak Mahindra Bank 7.30%, Bank of Baroda 7.15%, Punjab National Bank 7.10%, HDFC Bank 6.60%. Gold is trading at $4,163.40 1.20% per troy ounce. Approximately equals 128,057 rupees per 10 grams. Gold rose 1.20% from the previous close of $4,114.10 per ounce. Gold prices reflect global demand, USD strength, and inflation expectations. Silver is trading at $59.10 2.36% per troy ounce. Approximately equals 1,818 rupees per 10 grams. Silver rose 2.36% from the previous close of $57.73. Silver prices are driven by industrial demand, solar energy and central bank policies. WTI crude oil is trading at $83.82 0.20% per barrel. Oil prices rose 0.20% from $83.65 per barrel. Higher crude raises fuel and transport costs in India, widening the current account deficit. The US dollar trades at 95.67 0.03% against the Indian rupee. The rupee weakened by 0.03% from 95 rupees and 64 paise. A weaker rupee raises import costs and inflation while benefiting IT and pharma exporters. LPG cylinder prices. Chennai 957 rupees and 50 paise per 3,106 rupees. Bangalore 944 rupees and 50 paise per 3,021 rupees. Hyderabad 994 rupees per 3,191 rupees. Andhra Pradesh 966 rupees and 50 paise per 3,128 rupees. Thank you for watching Indian Financial News. Tune in every day at 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. for market updates. Please like, share, and subscribe.